In industries and environments with large-scale sanitation needs, it is often difficult to achieve the chemical coverage necessary in the amount of time desired. We've taken our patented electrostatic technology and developed our brand new Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer VP300ES. Our Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer improves on our standard sprayer design by letting the user carry over 8 times as much chemical, allowing over 8 times more sanitation coverage before refilling. The 4-foot hose with quick-release valve allows for comfortable reach and maximum maneuverability. Our backpack unit is outfitted with a removable 2.25-gallon tank of chemical, allowing the user to coat over 8,000 square feet on the 40-micron setting per tank. This capacity, combined with our patented electrostatic charge, allows you to apply a thin, even chemical coating on all surfaces and even wraps around curved conductive surfaces as the charged particles look for clean space to land. This effect allows you to use less chemical but get a better coverage as the spread of charged particles coat more thoroughly than uncharged ones. The Victory Innovations Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer makes advanced electrostatic spraying technology easily available to more industries than ever before, enabling them to use less chemicals and achieve more complete coverage in a fraction of the time it used to take. The simplicity of its design makes it easy for anyone to use and sanitize more effectively than ever before. Other electrostatic sprayers on the market require the use of a cord for power. To eliminate the inconvenience and hazard of dragging a cord, we've outfitted the Victory Innovations Backpack Electrostatic Sprayer with a powerful 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery. When fully charged, this battery allows our sprayer to spray continuously for 4 hours. Not only does this battery power the spray, but it provides the electrostatic charge for your solution, helping it to stick and wrap around the conductive surface it's applied to. The cordless convenience of our unit allows for effortless movement from room to room, making easy work out of those larger sanitation jobs. Having a 3-way adjustable nozzle allows the user to adjust the micron size based on the dwell time desired.